And I would like to thank you that this forum will give information to the investor, and Indonesia is willing and ready to support all the investor to make Indonesia is a place for investment within the region. Underline that Indonesia remain committed to strike the balance between public health recovery and economic recovery. Therefore, we believe that while we are working together, we will be able to take advantage of future recovery momentum. The latest development of COVID-19 cases show that our handling of the pandemic is getting better, as reflected the increasing trend of the recovery rate to 85.88%. And then also the trend of mortality rate also continue to decline to 2.71%. And the government, through various policy, continues to strive that the rate of spread of the virus can be kept down so that our health and economic side can recover. If you see, all the charts are toward the positive trend. Namely the percentage of the active cases, also as well as slowing down, as well as the percentage of recovery rate, and also the fatality rate. The data is compiled for 1 year since the beginning of the COVID-19. On the economy side, the positive signals have been emerged domestically and globally. Indonesia economy on year-on-year basis is contraction at minus 2.0% to 2.7%. And if we compare, many countries have been growing at the negative less than 4%. And we are one of the countries behind China, Vietnam, and South Korea. And in 2021, we expect that the economy can be recovered to 4.5 to 5.5%. That is in line with the global recovery with a growth of 4.5 to 5.3%. We are one of a few countries that are using different strategy, but the result is quite optimum. And other indicators has been mentioned by Chairman Pak Haritanu Sudibyo, that the composite index and rupiah exchange rate is almost achieved on the pre-COVID level. So on January 2020 and January 2021 is almost comparables. And if we talk about trade balance, is surplus 21.74 billion. So based on this development, we see that the path of the economic recovery is on the right track.
MNC Group is very pleased to host this event and is looking forward to welcoming all participants from around the world. Truago network partners in over 125 countries. The two-day corporate morning session will provide an opportunity for the investor around the world to meet the leaders of some of the Indonesia's most prominent listed companies and gain comprehensive knowledge of investment opportunities in Indonesia. The morning group meetings were attended by global fund managers around the world, local institutions, and domestic investors. MNC Group is committed to contributing in Indonesia recovery from the challenging situation due to COVID-19 pandemic. MNC Group believes that the challenge in 2020 are opportunities for us to rise again. Let's take our own part in contributing for the recovery of our beloved country, Indonesia.